Do you really need a different skincare routine for morning and night? Or are you just doing extra steps that don't actually make a difference? A lot of people follow long skincare routines every single day, but still don't see real results. And the reason is simple. They don't understand what their skin actually needs at different times of the day. Because your skin behaves very differently in the morning and at night. And if your routine doesn't match that, your results will always be limited. In this video, we'll break down morning versus night skincare in the simplest way possible, so you can finally build a routine that actually works. Skincare is not just about products. It's about timing, consistency, and understanding your skin. Most people think they need more products, more steps, and more effort. But in reality, skincare becomes much more effective when it becomes simpler. Once you understand what your skin needs during the day and at night, everything becomes easier. So let's start with the most important question: what does your skin actually need in the morning? Part 1. Morning equals protection. In the morning, your skin is preparing to face the external environment. Throughout the day, your skin is exposed to sunlight and UV rays, pollution and dust, sweat and oil buildup. All of these can damage your skin over time. So your morning routine should focus on one main goal: protecting your skin. Step 1. Cleansing. Morning, your skin produces oil and sweat overnight. Cleansing in the morning helps remove these impurities and refresh your skin. However, this step should be gentle. Over-cleansing can strip your skin and make it more sensitive. If your skin feels dry in the morning, even rinsing with water can sometimes be enough. The goal is balance, not over-cleansing. Step 2. Hydration and moisturizer. Hydration is essential for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. Your skin loses moisture throughout the day, so starting your morning with hydration helps keep your skin balanced. Moisturizer locks in hydration and prevents dryness. Even oily skin needs hydration. Skipping moisturizer can actually make your skin produce more oil. Step 3. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is the most important step in your entire routine. Without it, all your skincare efforts can go to waste. UV rays can cause premature aging, dark spots, skin damage, and this damage builds slowly over time. Even if you don't see it immediately, it is happening. That's why sunscreen is not optional, it is essential. Optional. Light serums. In the morning, you can also use lightweight serums like vitamin C. These help brighten your skin and provide antioxidant protection. However, this step is optional. Your routine should not become complicated. Simple routines are more sustainable. Part 2. Night equals repair. At night, everything changes. Your skin is no longer trying to protect itself from the environment. Instead, it shifts into repair mode. This is when your skin regenerates, repairs damage, restores balance. Your night routine should support this natural process. Step 1. Cleansing. At night, cleansing becomes even more important. Your skin collects dirt, oil, sunscreen, and possibly makeup throughout the day. If these are not removed properly, they can clog your pores and cause breakouts. This is why a proper cleanse at night is essential. Step 2. Moisturizer. Moisturizer at night helps repair your skin barrier while you sleep. Your skin naturally loses moisture overnight. A good moisturizer helps prevent dryness and supports healing. Step 3. Treatments. Nighttime is the best time to use treatment products. These include retinol, exfoliating acids, targeted serums. These ingredients work better at night because your skin is in repair mode. But using too many treatments can damage your skin. So it's important to keep this step controlled and simple. Part 3. Understanding the difference. The difference between morning and night skincare is simple. Morning is about protection. Night is about repair. Once you understand this, your routine becomes much easier to manage. You stop overcomplicating things and start focusing on what actually matters. In the end, at this point, I would like to say that once you understand what your skin needs during the day and at night, skincare becomes much simpler. You don't need complicated routines or too many products. Protect your skin during the day, repair it at night, and stay consistent. Healthy skin is not about doing more, it's about doing the right things consistently. If you want simple, science-based skincare explained clearly, kindly subscribe for more.